In this example, we are going to calculate joint probabilities in Bayes' theorem in a probability tree. So take a moment and please set up your workbook to look like mine does here. If you need to find this intersection symbol, just go up to Insert, then all the way over to the right to Symbol. Click on that. You will want to be in the mathematical operators subset here. And you can find intersection as one of the symbols. Go ahead and click Insert, and it'll pop that right into your workbook. Now we are told that we get parts from two suppliers, supplier A1 and supplier A2. 65% of the parts come from supplier A1. So we're going to put 0.65 right here in the step 1 columns next to company A1, supplier A1. That being said, there's a 35% probability that our parts have come from supplier A2. Now, over time, we have found that the probability that a part from A1 is bad is 2%, or 0.02. And we've also found in our experience that the probability of a part being bad from company A2, supplier A2, is 5%, 0.05. So now we are going to calculate the joint probability using the multiplication rule and find the intersection of the two events just using multiplication. So if we go down here to our step 2 columns, we want to find the probability that a part from supplier A1 is good. So first, we need the probability that the part is from supplier A1. So 0.65 times the probability of this part being good. And that becomes 1 minus the probability that it's bad. So 1 minus 0.02. Now we want the probability that a part from A1 is bad. So this equals the probability that it's from supplier A1 times the probability of it being bad from A1. Okay. Now we will continue with the same process for supplier A2. So we want to know the probability of a part being good from A2. And again, this equals the probability of it being supplied by supplier A2 multiplied by 1 minus the probability of it being bad from A2. And now the probability of it being bad from A2 equals, first, the probability of it being from supplier A2 multiplied by the probability of it being bad. Okay. So again, what we've done here is we've used a tree diagram to calculate joint probabilities.